We're selling this car because we don't have money to buy rice. I'm also angry to myself right now. I'm sorry.
Zajebiście.
Kamu kaning part.
This one work. If you put your eye here, it's...
Yes.
No, soon I will burn this kurwa place. Pizdu.
Yeah, because your money's stuck there. Hi. You don't fart.
You don't?
I don't fart. Hi guys, good morning and update about my camera, guys. Yes, Tom. You need to turn.
I'm so ugly.
So again, guys, good morning. We're going to repair shop because I want to repair my camera as soon as possible. Because right now, it's very like I'm not comfortable making vlogs in the phone. Jemma, you're so conscious about yourself. No, you're sexy, oh. Wow. We're almost na, darling.
Gdzie?
Straight pa.
No nie ma parking, kurde.
I know, we need to find parking. That's why. Excuse me, sir.
Gracias, kurwa.
So right now, we're still going to the repair shop.
Tak.
And we will know if this camera can still be repaired or not. I think they can. They're magician, right?
Nie wiem, kurwa, they need to repair, right? I to jest shit got guarantee jeszcze. Przecież.
You have?
No of course, no przecież we buy her brand new. When we buy? Nie wiem, na pewno nie 5 years ago.
I don't know. I
Year
don't
ago?
remember. Because I remember you buy this second hand.
What?
This one?
I ordered 2 accidentally, remember?
Ah, okay. So
No.
this is the camera.
Tak.
I thought that one that you use
Nie.
in live stream.
Tam tobie jest second hand, a 7000 coś tam. Bo tamte koszty $3000 new. Dobrze, że tamte się nie rozpierdolą.
Nagyaw-yaw na siya. I'm also angry to myself right now. I'm sorry.
Zajebiście za dzień.
Here, my good love. Sorry, because you cheka
Dobra,
and
where?
we're at
Where,
the middle
where?
of the koan. Sige pa, middle of the traffic. Oh my goodness, a lot of cars.
Straight?
Yeah, straight.
Ale to będzie gdzieś tam?
Yeah,
No to już trzeba parking looking.
sure.
To jest tu?
Oo. They said that it was there. City limit. Near the PCBS. So we need to find park.
PCBS?
Yeah. Two. This one.
No to już. Gdzie?
Here. Oh, this one.
City limit digital. To kurwa?
No? Togo.
Nie wiem, czy tej komunikacji są.
So we will check if they can.
No, czy to tam.
Oh my god. So guys, we are here already on the repair shop. We will find out where is he. Where are you?
Tu.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, pwede may pa-check ani. Nakuan dili siya mo kaning part.
This one work. If you put your eye here, it's work.
Oo, kana. Pero kanira siya kaning screen. Di siya mo gana. Natagak siya gahapon.
Dala niya. Battery.
Yes, nare battery. Kay gamit man gud namo ni kaayo.
Maybe this afternoon we will try.
Dali, try lang na to. Ma'am.
Afternoon?
Madali
Oh,
siya.
sige.
No dobra.
Itawagi lang mi.
Oo, ma'am.
What is this old camera?
Nie wiem. Ale mają tu fajne kamery.
This one.
Co? Też takie daleko? Tu jest fajny, bo jest kompakt, malutki.
I know.
Nie heavy.
I just ask you if it's old model.
We got like this in home, right? We did? Pamiętasz, Rysiek był kiedyś.
The one that you saw?
To jest fajne.
Oh, no, the one this one.
Ale quality cool na to.
Diba they sell in that so.
Yan lang po, ma'am.
Okay.
Name, contact number, and signature. No, sir. Just pay later, sir. Yes.
Kaya naman.
If dili ma-repair, ma'am, service fee, like, bayaran niya. Dili ang perfect.
Okay. Pilay service fee po.
300.
Okay. If not, they cannot repair service
But
fee.
hopefully, we can repair.
But
But we try.
So cool, but I will make business. I will tell them that I will repair everything. I will bring it and I will charge 300 everybody.
Ma'am, ano ang contact number, ma'am?
Okay.
And I will not kurwa repair.
So, magkano may pakita niya ng hapon, ha?
Okay.
Two.
O, try lang naman, ma'am. Basta hindi ay
Put.
makuan. Kung napagupot.
Dobra, let's go.
Okay.
So co? Today evening, ma'am?
Mo
Afternoon?
text lang eh. Pero if need pa dyan of time, basta maka-extend, okay lang, ma'am.
Okay
Okay.
lang.
Oo.
Sige, if dili siya madala. Basta madala ra.
Madala.
Okay, sige, thank you.
Tyle kurwa left from your camera.
So guys, we already dropped my camera there, and short story what they said, that they will try their best to repair the camera.
A jak nie, to i tak we need to pay 300. To jest stupid.
Yeah,
If they will not repair the camera, we need to pay them 300 pesos.
yes, 300.
They need to pay us chyba kurwa. No jak?
And then,
Zaraz we will open store. We will make everything. Repair cars, bikes, TVs, kurwa ref. A if we will not repair 300 pesos.
service fee. Oh, it's dobrze na if we get 10 items for service fee.
No to mamy 3000 pesos.
Oh,
I will not repair nothing, kurwa. Tylko, że we will buy reviews on Google, żeby everybody make.
but if they will repair that, we will just pay
3,500.
Oh,
To też stupid jest,
3,500.
Bo tam jest tylko LCD card.
No, and they only repair that, they don't replace.
No. Czyli they supposed to charge us 1000 pesos maximum.
Yeah.
Pojedziemy tu jeszcze po tortilla, dobra?
Nice weather. Nice weather here. In Valencia, it's always rain. So later, guys, they will just call us if they can repair the phone. If yes, we will just go there and phone the camera. If yes, we will just go there and pick up the camera. If not, maybe tomorrow. And we go there, guys, because they are the best review of repair shop. Even if it doesn't click.
I mean, there is one only store. Nie ma other.
Tak?
No? Oh, you see other?
Okay. So right now we're going to grocery in Don Atiliano. It's like foreigner goods here. Maski.
Say thank you, Ate.
Thank you. So init, uy. Wait.
Jest pierwszy.
Napod.
Wszystko, zaraz na pay for this. Daj, make the time lapse.
I'll TikTok here. Basket. You will cook?
Znaczy nie wiem, czy dzisiaj wróciłem.
Dzisiaj na lang because you get kuan. Fresh herb.
Dzisiaj to ja chcę potato właśnie.
Tak?
Tak. Ale z takiej weźmiemy też zaraz.
No dobra. So guys, this is the foreigner store look like. I don't know what's the name of this store. Basta we call the foreigner store. Because they have, see? It's not local products. They have import products from other countries. And they have nice snacks. And they're nice meat. See? Beef meat. Yo, Shisco got
Nie ma na
ice cream. Then wines, alcohols, something sweet. See? And another sweet. See? It's not from Philippines. It's not local products from Philippines. And sausage for breakfast. See, it's nice. Ham for pizza, frozen pizza, and then they have cheese. What is that one?
Takie jakieś szampan malutkie. For you.
Dobra.
Ginger? Yeah. I'm not fan of ginger.
Love.
Sa?
Wala. Unsa karon? Hi. Nothing.
So, you like this car? It can be your for 32999. It's for sale.
So we're going home now. Eh?
Yeah, we need to sell this kurwa piece of shit.
And by the way, guys, I didn't still share to you that we're selling this car.
Yeah.
We're
Why?
selling this car because we don't have money to buy rice. Well, Koan, we're selling this car, guys,
Because we stole him long time ago.
Yeah,
Nie no, trzeba sell. We're planning to buy new one.
we're planning to buy new one. That's why we're trying to sell this car.
You nobody want to buy him.
Yeah, because it's too expensive. We're having problem to sell this car, guys. Because of course, for Filipinos, it's too much.
It's not too much. It's a very nice car.
It's a very nice car, but the price is still, you know. Of course, if other Filipinos have money, it's better to buy brand new than something.
Nie pierdol mi, bo in Manila they got Ferrari, ma Lamborghini, wszystko ma.
So,
In Manila.
no właśnie.
No. There's a lot of...
Brand of cars.
No.
So we're planning to buy one new car for those people who asking me in message because maybe they thought that we don't have ano,
No to dawaj do nas, dotation. Send stars.
sand stars.
Nie no, the plan is to buy another one. We get bored of it. And we will start build our house. That's why we need big car. But this car will be not good to bring some cement or tails or whatever, right? Or some doors, things like that. Some windows, some everything. Where we will put it? To kurwa, we cannot fit nawet boba things.
Oh my goodness. Na. Master Bar.
Przychodzi na internet. Nie?
Babu! Babu! Asa man siya? Hi! Hi, how are you? Are you okay? You have a nice sleep? You wake up without mama? Come here, come here. Wow, naka-stocking yarn. Guys, we already in home. Back. Sophia, what you doing? So, as you can see guys, on my face right now that I am not in the mood to vlog. Like, I don't have any topic to talk too much because I'm really stressed about my camera, guys. Like, right now, in my mind that I hope that my camera will be okay and will be, you know, fixed as soon as possible. Hi, Babu. At least you're making Mama's day feel better. So that's it, guys. That's it, the end of our vlog today. Mubashe!
It looks super okay.
Okay.
I'm shocked.
Good. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. Like this video, follow us on Facebook, on TikTok, and Instagram, and subscribe us in YouTube. So again, what you want to say, Sophia? So once again, see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.